Think Germany only offers opportunities for computer science graduates? You might be missing the bigger picture. While IT and AI are booming, some of Germany's biggest talent shortages exist outside computer science. Industries such as automotive engineering, renewable energy, healthcare, robotics, semiconductor manufacturing, and advanced manufacturing are actively seeking skilled professionals. Germany is also experiencing growing demand for supply chain specialists, industrial managers, sustainability experts, and healthcare professionals. As the country continues to invest in Industry 4.0, green technologies, and advanced engineering, career opportunities are expanding across multiple sectors. For international students, this means exciting pathways beyond traditional tech careers. The strongest opportunities aren't limited to coding and software. Look beyond computer science, and you may discover Germany's most rewarding career paths.
IAEC Consultants, Private Limited, guiding futures, inspiring journeys with 25 years of excellence in recruiting students abroad.